see, when I pull the handle, it doesn't go forward. And as you can see, this here is the reverse. Make it where you can see it a little better. This is the reverse. And this cable right here just wore out, so I couldn't go in reverse. So temporarily, till I get it fixed, I just put some vice grips on there to hold it so I have a reverse. Good thing I did, because I'd have been stuck in the middle of the field. So I guess coming up next is going to be a video on how to test and see why the forward gear went out. I'm thinking it could be either the belt broke or slipping, because as I pull the handle back, there's not really any pressure on it, so I'm thinking the belt might have broke. That's one of the problems you'll run if you go too deep. I was going to go 12 inches right to start with, and I could smell like the belt was burning a little bit, so I backed off, and that might be the problem. So next up is going to be fixing the forward on this, and then maybe we can do a permanent fix on this, but right now that's working, and I need to get the garden tilled. Remember earlier when we lost the forward gear in this one, so it's not going forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off and see, is it a belt that we lost, or what is it that we lost? So we're going to take the cover off, and we'll see where that goes, and it leads us to it. So now we're going to take these bolts off. All right, when we get in here, this is a 10 millimeter, so we'll use that for our socket here and take this nut off. And inside of here is where the belts are at. And that's why we lost our forward gears. Lost the belt. Kind of shredded it up. I could tell when I was tilling that when I try to go too deep to start with, you could smell it a little bit. So now I just need to get a new belt, and we'll replace it. Wasn't that long ago that I replaced it, but I think I tried to go too deep at one time. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get a new belt, and that should fix this problem, because the reverse still works.